Got another unboxing for y'all boys and girls. You know what I'm saying? This is Lane Lightspeed tuning in with another unboxing. I guess we'll finish what the parts that we were supposed to do in the last unboxing video. Go ahead and check that out on my channel. Matter of fact, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, because grow with me. It's gonna get better. You done found somebody who is kooky in here. You could be like, why do you need so much power? Why not? That's the type of person I am. So, first off, bam! Air shifter. You already know I ain't playing no games when you buy the air shifter. I got my gaskets for my exhaust, so my Voodoo exhaust could go on my bike now. It's about to get real loud and rowdy. The air tank for my quick shifter. I got an air compressor coming on the way. Is that it? Nope. Yeah, buddy. My air filter. My bike's gonna be breathing, baby. Maintenance only needs compression air to be generated. So I could blow this out and clean it? Money well spent. That's enough of that. Because that was literally just a continuation of the last unboxing. This unboxing is really for this. Whew. I got a weird, unique style. It ain't like everybody else's. You already, people who ride already know what this bag is for. Well, people who don't, if it's your first time, prepare prepare to be dazzled, amazed. You might be like, why he do that? Let me get a close up on this bad boy, because ooh, yeah, y'all don't even, man, look at the eyeballs. Look at that. That is something else. And what I like about it, bam, already got a visor. Yeah. I want to try this bad boy on, to be honest with you, because I'm excited. I don't want to mess it up now. You know, kids get so excited with the new gifts, they break it on accident before they even play with it. So that's how the heat. Okay, airform. That's cool. So like that. Is there a way to just, or you just slide? Oh, this, it makes the thing come down. That's tight. I don't gotta wear glasses no more, or I don't gotta put this on either. But it does kind of bring coolness to the helmet. You know what I'm saying? Put this on so you see what it look like. I need to see what it look like, to be honest. Ooh, yeah, I ain't even seen myself yet, and I know I know I look good. Let me see. What a notch. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Money well spent. Stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a crazy journey. Just stay tuned. It's gonna be rough at the beginning, then it's gonna get smooth, then it's gonna get rough, just like life. But at the end, to be honest, you just gotta enjoy the journey with me. All right. Lane Lightspeed signing off. Tune in next time, baby.